Hey, hi everyone. I hope you're all doing good. I'm sending this video out just to say thank you to all of you for the season we had. I know it was a little short and not what we expected, but for me it was great. It was a really, really great experience, and I couldn't ask for a better first team that I coached softball. You all were like magnificent, especially to the ones that started off from the fall semester all the way from August. All the hard work and dedication you guys put, I'm really, really proud of you. Hopefully, this is not a goodbye for the sophomores. Jay, Vivi, Alexa, y'all. Hopefully, you still got another season and you want to use it, and I'll be more than glad to have you back on the team. Uh, So if not, just swing on by whenever we're back on campus and I can give you a hug and say goodbye and wish you nothing but the best with what's going on. For the freshmen, hopefully this will end soon and we can start fall ball by the time fall semester comes around. What I'm going to ask from all of you is to help me out in recruiting because I mean, I couldn't go out there and see the girls play or go to any other games. So if you guys know any players that want to join the team, tell them to give them my cell phone number if you have it, my email. Tell them to contact me as soon as possible so I can start talking to them and getting them on the priority list so they can get their classes for the fall. So that would be a great help for the team. And nothing else, just enjoy this time with your family. Stay safe. Please do your schoolwork. Uh, Take your classes seriously. The teachers should be really, really flexible with assignments and quizzes and all that. So take advantage of that. That was one of the things the school told us as teachers that we should be as flexible as possible. So take advantage of that. So everyone stay up to task with your schoolwork, and if you need anything, feel free to contact me. And hopefully, this is just see you later and take care.